How we doing, YouTube? I'm Thomas, Tomology. I got some Memorial Day savings. I mean, obviously we know that Memorial starts off the summer. So why not then to start off with the sales on Amazon? Go ahead and click on over. First thing I have is the Amazon Fire Stick. It is 40% off. So you can get the Fire Stick for $29 for the 4K streaming device. These are non-sponsored videos. These are just videos. It's Memorial Day. A lot of people forget about all these sales and the good sales that come out. But right now, again, $29, that is a heck of a steal for the 4K Fire Stick. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and the gravity chairs. Oh my. I don't know if any of y'all ever sat in a gravity chair before. Again, non-sponsored video. I can't stress that enough. But man, these gravity chairs are really, really nice. The way they support you, even though you're in like a swing state, but for a 2-pack, for $90 for a 2-pack, and I mean any color that you can possibly think of. Let me put it here. Let's get there. There we go. So purple, beige, black, blue, brown, burgundy, red, camouflage. I mean, olive, or actually sage for that one. I mean, every color out there. I mean, these right here, you cannot go wrong with a set of these. I mean, the cup holders on these, hold your book, or you're more or less a tablet. Bring these down to the pool at your, wherever you go to the pool at. I mean, there's even some that you can buy the shade that goes over the top. So those are extra, or you can buy one that has that in there. But man, this right here, 30% off. That is a real good deal right now. The other is security. Remember, it is summertime, and summertime brings out all the hoodlums that are supposed to be in school, but they're not in school no more. Sorry, kids. I hate to throw y'all underneath the bus, but a lot of kids become up to no good, or they start hanging out with the wrong crowd. So what better than to have a good security system for your house? So the Blink Outdoors are really, really nice. This is actually a 5-camera setup, so it gives you the bang for your buck. If you want any other, let me go ahead and pull up real quick. Wise would be your other one. Wise is what I actually use. I do like the Blinks as well, but I'll leave a link to the Wise. Here's for the Wise. This right here is their newest 2K resolution one. I mean, they're really, really nice. I mean, like I said, I have about 7 of these at my place to view everything, but I'll go ahead and throw a link down in there for that as well. But yeah, again, your safety is what matters in the world today. So if you don't have a good setup and to keep your house safe from thievery, from the kids that are still being porch pirates and stealing your packages, stuff like that, you need a good setup for that. I mean, you got to keep your house secure. All right, we're coming in summer months, and I don't care where you're at, from Ohio up north to New York down here to Texas. We're already in the 90 degrees. It is hot. So this is a rechargeable. You can charge it any which way. You can charge it in a power bank, car charger, laptop, a socket, wherever. It's a dual charger. You can either use USB or the USB-C for the ultra fast charging. And I mean, that's a good price for, under $15. I mean, just say $15 with tax, They do come in multiple colors. I'd be ordering one of these for my wife, actually. That, and of course, don't forget about your cars. I mean, check your waters, make sure your antifreeze is in there. Antifreeze ain't just for the winter time. You got to make sure that you got plenty of water and that there's no corrosion going to happen and leave you stranded on the side of the road where you're going to be burning up. So like me, I need a new water pump in my car. So I'll be ordering me a water pump. But yeah, these fans right here, I mean, stranded wherever you're at, if you're at the park, wherever, you need a good, and it has a little flashlight on it as well. So you can put it in a pocket. It becomes a little, you can charge it by your phone. So it's a power bank, so you can charge your phone. Excuse me, you can charge your phone, has a flashlight, and of course the fan. So wife's birthday is actually coming up in 2 weeks, so this will be one of her little bitty presents I will be getting her. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to cart now. But yeah, that would be one of the ones that I do get for my wife. She gets hot really easy, so something there. Yes, I'm a real person. I'm not a bot. I'm not AI. Nothing like that. I see things and people forget. I always forget about Memorial Day, or used to whenever I worked before I got disabled. But anyways, another thing is a good cooler. And for these, and it's not a huge discount, but I mean, $30 from $40, but all the Igloos are actually on sale right now. What I do like about this one here is it does actually come with a little cup holder for, you want to bring those little cups out there. That way people have something, or if you want to share your water with other people that are at the park or the beach, I mean, fill this thing up, throw you some Powerade powder or Gatorade powder. Just don't drink too much Gatorade. Gatorade is actually bad for you. I'm sorry. You can leave comments down below if you disagree with me, but actually Gatorade is kind of bad for you. I don't care if you get the 0 sugar. But anyways, I prefer Propel. So, but they don't sell the big Propels. But yeah, no, a good cooler. I mean, out and about where you're at. I mean, this is mainly for water. To bring with you for water. It's not so much for your cans, but you can throw a couple of 6-pack of Coke or Sprite or whatever you're doing while you're out there. Again, while you're at the pool or sitting at the beach or the lake, I mean, a nice portable waterproof speaker is really, really nice. And I actually do have this one. It comes in multiple colors. It is really loud. The bass is bassy, but not too bassy. So, I mean, and of course, they're discounted. So different prices. This one here for the black is $20, where it's normally $60. I believe I got mine for $40 when I got mine. But no, really, really nice speaker. Does what it's supposed to. It is the new 5.3. Actually, we're up to 5.4 now on Bluetooth. But it is the newest, one of the newest Bluetooths. I mean, got really, really good reviews on it. Next up is, can't forget our little babies. You go out somewhere and the babies like to have fun too. They can't just tell us. They're not talking just yet. I mean, but this is a good all the way up to, even your 2 and 3 year olds. Just have fun. I mean, don't forget water toys. Water's gonna, yes, be a little expensive with inflation and everything this year, but as long as you're not in a drought, I mean, $20. I mean, it's 50% off. Again, keep your kids cool. Let them have fun this summer. All right. Speaking of keeping cool, I mean, I'm gonna most likely probably. I'm looking at this one and another one. I do like the beige color one, I believe it is, or brown over. I like that brown color. I just don't know how long. I mean, they're going to be nice. For the price, I mean, it's right at 50% off. So, I mean, you got multiples out here. There's other ones that are a little bit cheaper, but they don't come with the umbrella. This actually comes with the umbrella, 4 chairs, table, and the umbrella. So they're vented seats. So if you're sweating a lot, you're good. What else? Nice table, just for everyone. I mean, even for a nice card game at night. I mean, you want to sit outside and eat dinner if you don't got mosquitoes by you. I mean, you got 101 things you can do right here. All right, next up. Don't forget, you got to stay cool. And, the women, we can't forget about women. You need bathing suits, sports bras. You got to keep cool as well. You got to keep, everything where they need to be at. You know what I mean. But no, these right here, actually, they're actually in my cart. If you see over here to my right, they're actually in my cart. These are really nice. My wife and daughter, they like them. They fit them right. They hold things together. They do what it's supposed to be. But no, 50% off of them is a really, really good price. And then this one right here. So again, it is summertime. Kids are at home. Even for the older kids that get to stay home, this is actually right at 80% off. Man, plug this in, connect it to your Wi-Fi. There's an app to it. And you can keep an eye on your kids while you're at work. If you got to go to the store and you don't like to leave, like me, I don't like to leave my kids at home by themselves. I really don't. But this right here is something like this, or like I said, this is only $20 versus, this whole system here being 200. But I'd prefer this system here. But I also do like this, and I'm indecisive if I actually want to get this. Like I said, I have cameras everywhere. But what's nice about this though is, say if you have any type of inverter in your car or something, and you do go out to the beach and you want to record something, you have a baby, you have over there, you can plug this up to any, where is it at? Any screw fixture. So really and truly, for $30 with an inverter, to save $60 with an inverter. If you don't have an inverter in car, I believe everyone should have an inverter in their car. It's what it does. It takes your cigarette lighter and gives you 2 house plugs where you can plug things up. So charges things faster, does a lot of things better. But now, if you're at the lake and you put your baby to sleep, you can put this actually in their playpen while you're out at the beach or whatever, and actually portable, and it disconnects to your Wi-Fi, to your phone. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I actually want to get it. And it just powers up. But yeah, no, those are gonna be my main. Those right there are gonna be my main picks. I mean, there's a lot of good deals. I'm gonna leave links to all this. Yes, they are affiliate links. I have links to everything down below. All you're doing with the affiliate links, they're just to help this channel grow and for me to get products, to give honest reviews on products. But man, enjoy your summer. Stay safe. Stay cool. It's gonna be a hot one. It's gonna be a scorcher this year. They already say hurricane season is going to be very, very, packed full. Make sure you're stocked up on waters. Make sure you're stocked up on propane, gasoline. If you got a generator, make sure everything's running correctly before hurricane season actually hits. It starts in June 6th or June 7th, somewhere in there. Hurricane season starts. So be prepared. That's all I got to say on that. I mean, literally, be prepared. Me, I'm going to have 5 propanes. 20 gallons of gas, two 10-gallon gas cans, 40 case of water from Sam's. So, I mean, I try to get everything set. I got a portable AC right here for my generator. So, I'm good to go on that aspect. But, man, just stay safe. Again, I'm Thomas with Tomology. These are the best deals on Amazon for Memorial Day weekend. Y'all enjoy y'all's weekend. Don't forget to thank and support the military that has supported you and gave you the reason to be free. Them fighting for our country is the reason why you're free today. Anyways, I'm Thomas with Tomology. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Catch y'all on the next one.